Welcome back. It's an interim relief for the Masjid side in the Sambhal Jama Masjid survey. The Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice Sanjiv Khanna has put a stay on the trial court's action, essentially meaning that the Sambhal survey has been put on hold for now. The Supreme Court, without commenting on the merits of the case, has asked the Masjid side to approach the High Court. My colleague Pradeep Datta is joining us from the spot. Pradeep, what's the reaction on ground after the Supreme Court said that the survey should be halted for now?
Yes, I tried to interact with some of the advocates and the people who had come here to offer prayers. They are from the Masjid committee side. They said it's a big sigh of relief because the survey was conducted in a haste that had been just and that's one of the reasons that they had knocked the doors of the Apex Court. And finally, Apex Court had come out with orders asking them to approach High Court in this regard. And in the meantime, the survey report that is to be presented on January 8th, that should be presented in a sealed cover. That's what actually had been instructed by the High Court. And now let's see what actually the High Court will be saying. But for time being, it's a big relief for them. All I can say right now, you can see that peacefully the prayers are being conducted. Large number of people are turning up here at Jama Masjid Mosque. There is no restriction. But what is more important is that today we have seen that the local volunteers, they are helping men in khaki in assisting them in getting prayers conducted peacefully. And they are the one who are identifying if somebody is coming from outside. They are identifying them because they do not want what really happened on November 24 should be repeated. In the meantime, because after the Supreme Court orders, already the tempers have come down because earlier there was a lot of tension what actually will be the Supreme Court's direction in this regard, because now the in sealed cover the survey report is to be presented in the court in the lower court on 24th. Now all eyes will be on the High Court once the petition will be filed. But yes, for time being, it's a big relief, and also that peacefully the prayers are being offered here at Sambhal area. In other words, we can say Sambhal mein sthiti Sambhal ki bhi nazar aa rahi hai.
Okay, all right. Pradeep, thank you for joining us with those details. People there welcoming the move, and now, of course, it's for the High Court to decide. We'll come back to you for those updates. Quick break now. We'll be right back.